Op Sindoor in the Run and Creek sector saw my brigade operate in one of the most sensitive and operationally challenging areas, defined by the harsh terrain, dispersed deployment and multi-agency environment. In the beginning of the operations, we undertook swift and calibrated deployment to secure the sector. Our deployment was deliberately balanced, thereby ensuring a strong defensive grid, meanwhile maintaining or retaining offensive capability so that if any offensive operations are required to be undertaken, it can be undertaken at short notice. Between 7th and 12th of May, enemy employed number of drones for surveillance and targeting of our critical military and civil infrastructure. Once again, we took calibrated and swift response and executed it in close coordination with the Indian Air Force, BSF, Coast Guard, intelligence agencies and civil administration. A robust and tiered grid comprising of anti-drone systems, air defense elements and integrated surveillance assets ensured destruction of multiple enemy drones. Simultaneously, a coordinated civil defense mechanism was put in place to safeguard our critical assets and population centers. Our synergized and swift response enabled effective neutralization of the enemy's aerial threat, thereby enabling us and ensuring that none of the critical military or civil infrastructure gets impacted. Overall, Op Sindoor, as I see, successfully and preemptively defeated the nefarious designs of the enemy, meanwhile simultaneously ensuring a robust operational control over the Run and Creek sector. The operation stands as a testament to the jointness, technological integration, professionalism and firm resolve of our troops, thereby reaffirming our unwavering commitment to safeguard national interests.
Army AD Regiment. Over 78 years of the legacy, the regiment has always been prepared for all the challenges and driven by its unwavering combat readiness. So when the call for Operation Sindoor came, the unit acted immediately, carried out swift mobilization and secured the vital areas of Rajasthan and Kutch sector. On 7th May 2025, all my troops were deployed and completely operational. The Army AD warriors, they showcased their excellent skills and precision by neutralizing the repeated enemy drone attacks and destroyed 5 Pakistani drones in the sector. This showcased sky-high morale and courage of AD warriors in the face of enemy and excellent coordination with other agencies. During the entire operation, the regiment ensured that there was no damage to the vital areas, which showcases and proves our precision and lethality. Operation Sindoor highlights the grit and resolve of Indian Army and also proves that no matter how the threat evolves, our response will be precise, resolve will be firm and nation's skies shall remain sovereign. Jai Hind.